We're up.
Alright, go ahead. Any guys running? That's 29 Liberty Junctions.
Bring them west here. 6 cars. Let's roll. Yeah, make sure.
Q217. Well, I know E740-06-04. It's coming up. That's past Dickinson. I heard 33.1 going off. 924 actors, if I heard correctly. It's a biggie. I didn't see that start training in a while. It's bang bang. I'm so retarded. I can't help. Oh wait. I'm so excited. I can't help it. Ha ha ha. He's on 40 now. Oh, come on, really? He's on 40.06. So he should be at Baku. So he's coming up. He should be here about less than 10 minutes. Give or take about a minute. Alright, there is D786. D786. Alright. Look, that's off. Alright. I'm glad I came over here. So right now that I know of that's coming after this 217, the E740 coming, D786, and U315 that I know of. And about roughly 4 hours, give or take about a minute, PR29 should be coming. So I may catch them here, or I may catch them closer to my house. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I'm trying not. Oh, sorry, I'm trying not to do that as much. I'm trying not to. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. I knew it was going to happen, but I didn't expect it to be that strong.
come over. I'm sure I would imagine he's long gone for coming in here looking out.